Hey Siri, roast battle?
Why would I roast you? That would be releasing toxic fumes into the atmosphere.
Yo mom is so fat that when she got on the elevator, it dropped to the first floor.
Your mom is so ugly. If laughter is the best medicine, her face must cure the world.
Yo mama is so ugly, she made an onion cry.
You're so ugly. The principal adds a mirror to the detention room and tells you to look at it for punishment.
Yo mama is so poor, she chases the garbage truck with a grocery list.
I wish you were like the sun. Now get 93 million miles away from me.
Dang, that was too far.
Just like your hairline?
Bruh, like the video if I won.
No, subscribe if I won.